Is this the bike that finally settles the debate? For years, the adventure touring world was dominated by European giants. Then, Harley-Davidson crashed the party with the Pan America. But for 2026, they aren't just participating, they're looking to take over. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving deep into the crown jewel of Harley's latest, Chapter 2 reveal, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Limited. This isn't just a new trim, it's a fully farkled, expedition-ready monster designed to go from the showroom floor directly to the ends of the earth. In this review, we're going to see if the limited badge makes this the ultimate ADV of 2026. Let's get into it. At the center of this beast is the Revolution Max 1250 engine. For 2026, Harley has refined the finish on this liquid-cooled V-twin, but the numbers remain as staggering as ever. We're talking 150 horsepower and 94 foot-pounds of torque. What makes this engine the ultimate contender isn't just the raw power, it's the variable valve timing, VVT. Unlike traditional thumpers or high-strung triples, this V-twin gives you a surging, flexible power band. It's docile and manageable when you're technical crawling through a rock garden, but the moment you hit the open slab, it turns into a muscle bike. For 2026, the charging system has been beefed up to handle the extra electrical load of the Limited's new accessories, and the engine mapping is smoother than ever. So, what actually makes it a Limited? In the past, you'd buy a Pan America Special and then spend thousands on accessories. Harley-Davidson listened. The Limited is the first truly turnkey adventure bike from Milwaukee. Standard on this model is the SW-MOTECH aluminum luggage system. You get top and side cases providing 120 liters of watertight storage, enough to disappear for weeks. But it's the protection that really counts. You're looking at factory-installed brush guards, a heavy-duty skid plate, and a radiator guard right out of the box. They've also added a screamin' Eagle quickshifter as standard, allowing for seamless clutchless shifts that keep your momentum intact when you're standing on the pegs. To light up those late-night trail arrivals, you get Daymaker's signature adaptive LED headlamps paired with new factory auxiliary fog lights. It's a massive value proposition compared to building this bike part by part. One of the biggest hurdles for adventure riders is seat height, especially when the bike is loaded with 60 pounds of gear. This is where Harley's Adaptive Ride Height (ARH) system shines, and it's standard on the Limited. As you come to a stop, the bike automatically lowers about an inch or two, giving you a confident feet-down stance. Once you pull away, it rises back to optimal ride height to maintain that 6.1 inches of ground clearance. Paired with semi-active front and rear suspension, the bike is constantly thinking. Sensors monitor vertical acceleration, roll angle, and throttle position to adjust damping in real time. Whether you're hitting a pothole at highway speeds or landing a small jump off-road, the Limited stays composed. And yes, it comes with the tubeless laced wheels, the gold standard for ADV riders who want the strength of spokes with the ease of roadside plug repairs. The cockpit is dominated by a 6.8-inch color TFT touchscreen. It's designed with non-reflective glass, so you can actually see it in direct desert sunlight. For 2026, the infotainment integrates seamlessly with the HD app, giving you moving maps and turn-by-turn navigation directly on the dash. You have 9 selectable ride modes: Sport, Road, Rain, Off-Road, and Off-Road Plus, along with several custom slots. These don't just change throttle response. They recalibrate the cornering ABS, traction control, and the semi-active suspension. The Limited also features hill hold control and tire pressure monitoring, taking the stress out of those tricky situations where you're balancing a 661-pound machine on a steep, loose incline. So, is the 2026 Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Limited the ultimate ADV? If you are looking for a bike that combines American soul with the most advanced rider assist technology on the market, the answer is a resounding yes. It's heavier than a dedicated middleweight dirt masher, sure. But as a long-distance, go-anywhere expedition machine, it's hard to beat. Harley has finally moved past the new kid phase and delivered a mature, fully equipped flagship that can go toe-to-toe with the best from Germany and Austria. It's tough, it's tech-heavy, and it's ready for the dirt. What do you think? Would you take the Limited over a GS or a Tiger? Let me know in the comments below.